मातुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्।
Hello children, happy day. This is Abhinaya, your Carnatic vocal teacher. Today we are going to see about a new concept, brikas. What is a brika? The concept which is extensively used in music. Brikas, they are nothing but they are fast notes which we use in Carnatic music. They form an integral part of Carnatic music. So every other song has brikas in it. They add beauty to the song. For example, you can start this way. Sa sa ga re re ma ga ga pa ma ma da pa pa ni ga ga sa ni sa sa. Now try singing faster. Ni sa sa ga re re ma ga ga pa ma ma da pa pa ni ga ga sa ni sa sa. Now in akara. Faster. Faster. So if you keep on practicing, you'll be able to pull it off. So akaram practicing akaram is very important for you to sing brikas in songs. So brikas mainly concentrate on stressing on the last note. So there is a stress on the last note here. So that brings brikas out well. So keep practicing akaras for all verses. So that will help you sing brikas well. So we can see some examples of from movie songs. That is a brika. That is a brika. That is a brika. These are some simple brikas which are used in the film music. Okay, hope you enjoyed the class. See you in the next class. Bye-bye. Hello children. Today we are going to see the life history of Purandaradasa. Purandaradasa was born in the year 1484 and was a Haridasa philosopher, a saint from present-day Karnataka. He was a wealthy merchant of gold, silver and other miscellaneous jewelry from Karnataka, who gave away all his wealth, material riches to become a Haridasa, a devotee of God. He was a devotional singer who made the difficult Sanskrit scripts of Bhagavatam available to all the uh, public and laymen. He converted them into simple melodious songs and he gave away to public. He was one of the most important scholars of medieval India. In honor of his significant contributions to Carnatic music, he is widely referred to as Pitamaha of Carnatic music, that is, grandfather. Uh, Purandaradasa systemized the method of teaching in Carnatic music, which is followed in the present day. That is, he was the one who introduced uh, the raga Maya Madhava Gaule as the base raga for all the verses, which you know already: Sarli Varsai, Chanda Varsai, Meshtai Varsai, Dhatu Varsai, and other verses to be sung in Maya Madhava Gaule as a start. This was designed by Purandaradasa, Sri Purandaradasa. He also influenced Hindustani music via his disciple Swami Haridas. Purandaradasa has fought the evils of casteism through his songs. He was a great composer who has done so much to the society through his songs. So he died in the year 1565. He has left behind a great legacy and he is considered one of the genius composers Indian classical music has ever had. So hope you liked the today's class. See you in the next class. Bye bye. Hello children. Today we are going to see some of the important compositions of Purandaradasa. He, as I told you earlier, was a very great, eminent composer in Indian classical music. He has composed a lot of songs which helped the society to reform. And he has composed many interesting songs in Carnatic music. Some of his compositions are Bhagyada Lakshmi Baramma Ragam Madhyamavati, Charana Siddhi Vinayaka Ragam Natte, Jagatodharana Ragam Kapu. So I'll sing 4 lines from Bhagyada Lakshmi Baramma for you. Bhagyada Lakshmi Baramma Nammani Saubhagyada Lakshmi Baramma Nammani Saubhagyada Lakshmi Baramma. This is one of my favorite compositions of Purandaradasa. Hope you enjoyed the session. See you in the next class. Bye bye. Hello children. Today we are going to see the one Akara training of a male sthayi varisai, 5th one, which is the toughest male sthayi varisai, which includes all the 4. So we'll see the Akara for male sthayi varisai, 5th one today as a practice exercise. Okay. So I'll sing the 5th one for you once, then we can sing the Akara. Sa re ga ma pa da ni sa sa da ni sa re ga ma pa ma ga re sa ni da pa ma pa da ni sa re ga ma ga re sa ni da pa ma pa da ni sa re sa ni da pa ma pa da ni sa ni da pa ma da ni sa ni da pa ma ga re sa. So this is the 5th one, as you all know. So we'll try to sing the 3rd speed Akara for 5th one. So you can keep on increasing the speed. This is a very good warm-up exercise for your vocal cord. So please practice Akara uh, for Nails I will say 5th level. Okay, hope you enjoyed the class. See you in the next class. Bye bye.